Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. And you guys, I did another swap with some talented ladies. So let me go ahead and show you. This was my swap card. And I used the Daisy Punch. And then I just used some spring. It was kind of a spring theme. And using some of the new product. So I have that You Are Simply Wonderful. And then I used some of the new little oh, I don't even know what the name of them are. Now I'm going to have to look. Let's see, what are the names? Of course, oh, here they are. They are called From the Heart Faceted Gems. And I thought that was so cute. I just put that on. You can put them on with glue dots, or you can put on a little bit of Tombow adhesive. And then I used those gems, and I colored those with a early espresso Stampin' Blends. So you can color those any color you want if you have them in the clear. So that's what I did. And that one was my card. And let's see what the way the swap works. We meet up every other month or so, just a group of friends. And there's usually between 6 and 8 of us. And we make about 8 cards or so. I usually make 10. That covers everybody. Plus I have a few extra just in case. But we make all the same cards. So I did have a couple extra. So these will be going out to some of you beauties. But I had a couple extra. So we make 8 of the same exact cards, as you can see. Or however many. And then everybody else does the exact same thing. So the person who made this lovely card made 8 to 10 of the exact same cards. And she did not put a stamp on it. So I don't know who exactly did it, but I love those little meerkats. So that's fun. We've got this one, which is beautiful. Again, no stamp on it, but it says hugs, prayers, and love. Oh, it's got that lovely paper from the poppies. I love that. Just that basic green is so pretty to me. So there's that. You can see I have inky hands. I have just been playing all day and cleaning and making videos. So I'm doing this and that today, just hanging out in the craft room. So doing my part to social distance. How about you? What are you guys doing? Alrighty, here's another pretty card. This is from Diana. And so sweet. I love this. And it says, you are the best. And I don't know, there's just something about just adding a little extra that makes it so special. But what I like that she did is she embossed half of the cardstock. She didn't emboss a separate sheet of paper. She actually embossed that cardstock. So when you open it up, you have that great texture on this side as well. And it still has layers as well. So I like that. This card, let's see, the no stamp again. But super sweet. I love these. This is from the Poppy set again. She embossed the thank you. And she looks like she used that Poppy Parade color. I love it. I love the reds and the blacks and whites. They go together so well. Anytime I see a card like that, it just pops out at me. And it kind of looks like a chalkboard here. Super adorable. We've got this one here. This one was made by Gwen. And it says, friends like you mean more every year. Beautiful little bashful blue butterfly there. And then the soft sea foam and the gray, they go so well. And then look at this, you guys. Look at that perfect bow. Can you believe that perfect bow? And then this is what I like. It is a whole card. But look at this. Isn't that cute? So there it is. It's just a little note card. but it's the full-size card. I love it. And then here's the bees, and the bee paper is sold out, unfortunately. This one was made by another Jean. And look at how cute that is. It's got the hive. And there's some Winka Stella on the leaves, not leaves, on the, oh my gosh, the wings. The wings there, I don't know if you could see that at all. There's a little glisten on my end. And then the beautiful bee paper, which unfortunately is no longer. And then again, this covers that up. So this is another great fold where the card is just worked right into it. I think I want to make this card. Unfortunately, I don't have the bee set, but I think I love, love, love that layout. And then I have to open this little guy. I've already seen somebody else open theirs, so I know that there's a little treat in there. I think there's candy in there. But look at that. She made the box. She tied it with the dots ribbon, which is one of my favorite. And then look at that little bunny. Super sweet. And then the little bee. And she put a little bit of, oh, what's the name of it? I want to call it Dazzling Diamonds. That's not what it is. But it's got that clear gloss on there. And so that bee's really standing out. That little bunny is super cute. And listen, there's candy treats in there. So, all right, beauties. I hope you love these swaps. I love sharing them with you because everyone is so talented. So please give me a big thumbs up. Give the people who created all these wonderful cards a big thumbs up. And I think that's pretty cool to make the same exact card and then walk away with a bunch of different cards. All right. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching again. And make sure if you haven't seen my channel before, click subscribe so that you're notified every time I make a new video and you can see how some of these are made. All right. Have a wonderful day and I'll talk to you later. Bye.